Have you ever wanted to start your own window box garden but didn't know where to start? Window box gardening is an accessible, space-efficient way to bring nature's beauty to your home. We'll cover selection, planting, and maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your own mini garden oasis. First things first, selecting the perfect window box. Consider size, material, and drainage. Size matters in accommodating your chosen plants. Material should withstand weather conditions, and drainage is essential to avoid waterlogged roots. Remember, the right window box is the foundation of your future garden. Now that you have your window box, it's time to choose your plants. Consider the sun exposure of your window and your personal preferences. Remember, plants should be compatible with each other's needs for a harmonious growth. Choosing the right plants will ensure your window box garden thrives. Next, we dive into the world of soil and planting. The key to a flourishing window box garden lies in well-draining soil. This prevents waterlogging, creating the ideal environment for your plant's roots. When planting, dig a hole as deep as the root ball and twice as wide. Then gently place your plant in. Fill in the gaps with more soil until it's level with the top of the root ball. Remember, don't overfill. A well-planted window box is a step closer to a thriving garden. Lastly, let's talk about caring for your window box garden. Regular watering is crucial, but remember, too much can be just as harmful as too little. Most plants prefer 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Pruning helps promote healthy growth and prevent disease, while fertilizing ensures your plants receive all the nutrients they need. Keep an eye out for common issues like wilting or discoloration. With proper care and maintenance, your window box garden will flourish in no time. And there you have it, your guide to starting a window box garden. We've covered choosing the right box, picking perfect plants, soil selection, planting, and care. You're equipped with knowledge and inspiration. Now you're all set to create your own window box garden. Happy gardening!